Let's talk about perspective real quick. What it means, types of perspective, and how to apply them to a drawing. So, what is perspective? Perspective is a means of creating an illusion of three dimensions on a two-dimension surface like a sheet of paper. Key concepts of perspective. The horizon line. The horizon line simply indicates how high or low an image is being viewed. So if the horizon line is above on the page, it means the viewer is above and looking down at the image. Bring it down, then the viewer is looking up at the environment. Place it at the middle, then we are looking directly at the image on a high level view. Vanishing points. These are dots that rest on the horizon line from which the perspective lines come out from. So the number of vanishing points you have determines the type of perspective. Now let's get into the types of perspective. 1 point perspective. Drawing only 1 point on the horizon line, you get the 1 point perspective. When drawn with 1 point perspective, it's only the lines going towards the vanishing points that are not parallel, they follow the perspective. Other lines are completely parallel. Two-point perspective. Instead of one, now we have two vanishing points. So we only have one parallel line on our box now because the two angles now converge towards their vanishing points. But you shouldn't keep these vanishing points too far apart because it starts looking flat, and also not too close because it will look distorted. Three-point perspective. Let's say it's like the 2-point perspective with two vanishing points on the horizon line, but now we have another vanishing point above or below. It depends on the look you are going for. Now that's all on the three types of perspective we talked about on this video, and hopefully I may see you in another one.